These are the 4 things you didn't know about TIG welding a minute ago. TIG welding, guys, makes the strongest and hottest weld that welding can ever produce. It's hotter than the sun and stronger than your ex feelings for you. Oh my gosh, I love the mother. TIG welding welds are the best looking welds that you will ever see and make, guys. So if you wanna make the best looking welds, TIG is the way to go, especially stainless steel. They look hot. Oh my gosh, I love the mother. TIG welding is expensive, guys. Argon is expensive. I spent $50 just to refill this little bottle right here. So if you want to learn how to TIG, make sure you go to school, or make sure you have a lot of money, or make sure you learn at the field, because argon is expensive, but it smells good. Oh, argon. TIG welding, guys, is hard to learn. It takes a lot of skill to master. Me and TIG welding, we don't like each other. We never had, and I don't TIG really, to be honest. I have a scarf because of TIG welding, guys, right here in my chest. I was doing some overhead and something went wrong, and the filling wire fell on my chest, and it was hot. Oh my gosh, it was hot. Hey, you said it was only 4. Oh, did you record that? You got it? I'll just go with it then.